Hello बच्चों, let's see this question. So the question says surface catalyzed reactions are incorporated by the product that obey the differential rate expression dy by dt equals k whole into c naught minus y divided by a plus by, where c naught is the initial concentration, k and b are constants. The half-life of the reaction is, and we have four options over here. So इसमें क्या करना है हमको, एक सरफेस कैटलाइज्ड रिएक्शन के बारे में गिवन है दैट जो रिएक्शन हमें इनकॉर्पोरेटेड बाय प्रोडक्ट, मतलब प्रोडक्ट के थ्रू से हम रिएक्शन के प्रोग्रेस को मार्क करते हैं. सपोज दिस इज द रिएक्शन, रिएक्टेंट्स गिव प्रोडक्ट, देन सपोज इसमें इनिशियल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन सी नॉट था जो कि गिवन है सी नॉट, एंड यहाँ पर इनिशियल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन जीरो था. सो एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम this is c naught minus y, then the amount of product formed is y, and then at the end of reaction this is 0, this becomes 0, and this becomes c naught. So we have to see the equation through this differentiation of y. So जो कि हमें given है in this statements of question, which is dy by dt equals k whole into c naught minus y divided by 1 plus by. So we can separate the variables like this. So this will be dy whole into 1 plus by divided by c naught minus y, which will be equal to k dt, and we can integrate both sides because दोनों sides में हमारे पास dy and dt दो differential terms present है. So this is 1 plus by divided by c naught minus y dy. This will be equal to k dt and both sides integrated. And इसमें हम next step में क्या कर सकते हैं, we can separate these terms, that is 1 by c naught minus y dy integration plus by or b whole into y by c naught minus y dy and integration equals k dt, and which is integrated, and we can further separate it like this. So this is 1 by c naught minus y dy integrated plus b whole into, now this is y by c naught minus y, so we can also write it like this. This is y by c naught minus y, which is equal to y minus c naught plus c naught divided by c naught minus y, which will be equal to y minus c naught by c naught minus y plus c naught divided by c naught minus y, which will be equal to, ये फैक्टर क्या हो जाएगा, -1 हो जाएगा, बिकॉज यहाँ पर न्यूमरेटर में जो है डिनोमिनेटर है जस्ट उसका रिवर्स टर्म है. सो दिस इज -1 प्लस c naught divided by c naught minus y. So we can put this value instead of y by c naught minus y. So this is b whole into -1 plus c naught by c naught minus y, or c naught by c naught minus y minus 1. This is the value, and this is dy, and this is integration equals k dt and its integration. And since हमें half life period चाहिए and we are tracking this reaction with the help of this y, which is the product concentration. So product concentration at half life क्या होगा, at half life, at initiation the value of y will be 0. At half life the value of y will be c naught by 2, that is half of the initial concentration of products. So this will be integrated from 0 to c naught by 2, and this will be from 0 to c naught by 2, and this will be from 0 to t half. So we can further look at this equation like this. So this will be equal to 1 by c naught minus y dy. इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस ऑफ ln c naught minus y, बिकॉज यहाँ पर एक नेगेटिव साइन है विथ y, इसीलिए यहाँ पर नेगेटिव साइन आया विथ ln, प्लस यहाँ पर b whole into c naught by c naught minus y. So it is same as b c naught whole into minus ln c naught minus y plus b into minus 1 into dy, that is equal to minus by. So this entire term is limited from 0 to c naught by 2, which is equal to kt, which is limited from 0 to t half. And this can be further simplified like this. So this is ln c naught minus y, negative of ln c naught minus y from 0 to c naught by 2. So this is negative of ln c naught minus c naught by 2 minus ln c naught minus 0. सो ये है फर्स्ट टर्म के लिए. देन सेकेंड टर्म इज बी सी नॉट प्लस बी सी नॉट और माइनस बी सी नॉट, क्योंकि ये नेगेटिव साइन अंदर है, ये बाहर आकर माइनस हो जाएगा. माइनस बी सी नॉट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय सेम फैक्टर लॉन सी नॉट माइनस सी नॉट बाई 2 माइनस लॉन सी नॉट माइनस 0. ये हो जाएगा फैक्टर. देन यहाँ पर है माइनस बी वाई, सो दिस बिकम्स माइनस बी सी नॉट बाई 2 माइनस माइनस बी इंटू 0, क्योंकि यहाँ पर लोएस्ट फैक्टर 0 है. सो दिस विल बी द फाइनल एक्सप्रेशन and this is equal to k t half. So finally we can write it over here like this. So let me erase this area so that we can write the expressions clearly and we can solve to the final expression of half-life period, that is t half, from this equation that we have obtained after integrating the differential equation that is given in the question. So we have to simplify this value, which can be done in this way. So this is minus of ln c naught minus c naught by 2. So this becomes minus ln c naught by 2 minus ln c naught by 2, and this is negative of negative. That means this becomes positive, and this is c naught minus 0. So this is plus ln c naught. Then this is minus b c naught multiplied by ln c naught minus c naught by 2. So this becomes minus b c naught into ln c naught by 2 ln c naught by 2, and again this becomes minus b c naught into minus ln c naught. So this becomes plus b c naught into ln c naught, and then this becomes minus b c naught by 2. This becomes minus b c naught by 2, which is equal to k t half. So this will be equal to minus ln c naught by 2 plus ln c naught. So this becomes ln c naught divided by c naught by 2, and this essentially becomes ln 2. So this will be ln 2. So finally we can write it like this. So this is ln 2, and a similar expression over here. So this is minus bc naught ln c naught by 2 and plus bc naught ln c naught. So this becomes bc naught into ln 2 minus bc naught by 2 equals to kt half, and then this will be ln 2 whole into 1 plus bc naught minus bc naught divided by 2 is equal to kt half, and t half will be t half is equal to 1 plus bc naught whole into ln 2 minus bc naught divided by 2 whole multiplied by 1 by k. So this is 1 plus bc naught or 1 plus c naught b whole into ln 2 minus bc naught divided by 2 multiplied by 1 by k. So this expression is correctly given in one of these options, that is over here in option A, 1 plus c naught b ln 2 minus C naught b divided by 2. So this is the correct expression, and our correct answer is given over here, that is option number A. So option number A, that is T half is equal to 1 plus C naught b ln 2 minus C naught b divided by 2 whole multiplied by 1 by k. This is the required answer. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.